This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily, I've got a Northshire portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Northshire features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. Northshire also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, Northshire also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? Northshire can inflate your basketball fast and full and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with Northshire. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a Northshire portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. Northshire, one kit for every car owner.
Well, isn't it about time someone thought of this? A security camera for your home? Makes sense. Which got us thinking, wouldn't it be nice if we could take that idea and hit the road? That's how we came to build the first security camera for the car. We call it Owl. Owl has a forward-facing camera and an inside-facing camera. Owl's cameras are always on, and Owl is connected to its cloud service 24/7 by a fast, reliable 4G internet connection, just like your phone, which means you can check on your car with live video streaming anywhere, anytime. And Owl's sensors let you know immediately if something happens to your car and sends you an alert with an instant video clip report. And here are a few other cool things about Owl. Owl is always on, even when your car is off. Its very presence and its pulsing security beacon keeps away the lurkers and the sticky-fingered. And since Owl is always recording, the cameras will be rolling, even during traffic stops. Owl protects you from contentious crashes because the camera never lies, unlike that guy that ran the intersection. And since whatever does happen is recorded, you can go back and check it out later. Whether it's the weird, the wonderful, or the outrageous, it all happens all around us when we're driving, and Owl captures it all. When you see something you want to share, just say, "Okay, presto," and Owl will send the clip right to your phone. Owl sets up in about 5 minutes with just a few simple steps, and all video is protected, so no one except you can get to your video unless you choose to share it. So that's Owl, the world's first security camera for the car. Now get out there and see what you'll catch on Owl.
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.